We are bringing forward a subcutaneous CAR T treatment, and this is a therapy that'll bring forward both a cell type that has both T and NK features. So the poster is a poster for preclinical development where we describe a very novel method of generating CAR T and NK-like cells, where we can put the cells under the skin, and they become factories. We can create lymph nodes, and these lymph nodes then generate the CAR cells. We can manufacture these cells in one day. We can then don't have to give lymphodepletion. So these cells are ready to be injected within a 24-hour time frame. These are cells that expand and proliferate to a greater degree than what we've seen with traditional CAR Ts. These are cells then, once they get out into the circulation, can clear tumor very effectively. So we're very excited about this program. It's a lot of novel biology, and really the vector design that Exuma has put a lot of time in their internal R&D efforts to develop really drive the differentiation of this special cell type that have unique properties to be able to really combat tumor cells and continue to have good persistence and also resist shutdown. We're very excited about this, and we're undergoing IND-enabling studies to bring this forward to clinic next year.